Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2021 Wrangler. I apologize for my voice. I've had a cold this week, so I'm trying to fight that off. We did a 3.5-inch JKS suspension lift with Fox Adventure Series shocks. This is going to be their control arm drop bracket kit that you can see here. This is going to drop that upper and lower arm down to keep those flat angles, correct the caster. And the flat angles are just going to make it ride just a touch better than if they were at a steeper angle. Now if you're an avid off-roader, you may want to opt for the adjustable lower control arm kit, as you're going to have a little more ground clearance. But if you're mainly on the street, then this kit is great for you. Got the 35 1250 22 Toyo RT Trails, 22 by 10, 4-play 4PO6 wheels. This kit's also going to come with your adjustable sway bar links front and rear, adjustable track bar on the front. Of course, your dual rate springs front and rear. Now the Fox Adventure Series shock, the main difference between this one and say the Fox 2.0 is this is a steel body shock, where the Fox 2.0 is an aluminum body shock. Got your trap bar relocation bracket here, your adjustable rear sway bar links, and of course your rear coil springs as well. Full size spare on the rear. Now these wheels are a tinted brushed finish, so I don't know if you can even pick that up on the camera, but I'm going to try. If you get in here real close, there you go. Their color kind of changes depending on how much lighting is on them. The less light, the darker they look. Alright guys, that's it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.